Using this simple volume bars will 100% help you increase your winning probability and take better trades. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start with the very basic question, what is volumes? Here you can see here bars up and down, green and red. These are called volumes. And for now just understand that the green ones are buyers and the red ones are for sellers. So next question is how to apply volumes. So I'll just remove pre-applied volumes. Now we are using here TradingView platform. So we can see indicators option here. In that you just typed volumes, volume, first one we have to choose, and the bottom of the screen you can see here volumes are there. We'll just make it darker, here red one, then green, and okay. Now the third question is how the volume forms. So here we can see green big candle here. So in that, this is the opening price of the candle. Here the candle opened and here it closed. So that's why a green bar of volume. So now why it is red here? So if the candle, the next candle, we should always compare with the previous candle. So now we'll compare this red candle with this green previous candle. So the red candle opened at this area upside and closed here below. So when the candle closes below the previous candle, because green candle closed up here and the red candle closed down. So if the present candle closes below the previous candle, the volume will be in red color. I hope you are understanding about the volumes. If you are understanding, give the video a thumbs up. And for the people who didn't understand, let us go through again. So if the candle, this green candle has closed up here and the next candle is closed down, because red candles always close downwards. So if the closing of the candle is below the previous candle, the volume will be in red color. So here we can see two back-to-back red candles. So this candle, second candle, closed below the first candle. So that's why the volume is in color. And the people who are confused about the opening and closing of the candles, if you want a video on that, please comment down and I'll make a video on candle opening, closing and wick and all tails of the candle. So now the very important question, how to analyze and use volumes. So here we can see this stock is in downtrend and then it comes at rest, it goes sideways at this direction and starts an uptrend. So when it starts its uptrend, means buyers are in the market. So we should see green volumes and we can see here huge green volumes at every time the price has given a breakout. So volume is very helpful in recognizing false breakout. So again we'll draw a trend line, just a simple trend line here. You can draw this way as well. Here we can see green candle with high volume. We have to just compare this volume, the current volume, with the previous volumes. So there were very less volumes as we compare to previous. So even if the market is making red candles here, the volumes were less. Again 3 red candles and 3 times less red bars. Volumes and candlestick, they both go hand in hand. You will be able to take trades on just the basis of these two. So what about false volumes? Now according to me, there are no specifically false volume, but there are times when market gives high volume but the candle it makes is sometimes this way. So here we can see market has made a hammer candle and you will say that I saw high volumes and I took the trade, but you have to also see candle patterns. So after a hammer candle, market goes downward, lower, means sellers are in the market. So you check volumes as well as candles and along with those two you take a trade. So one more example of the same thing is this. We can see red candle and high volume below it. So after seeing a red candle, don't take a trade in the selling side. Check how the candle is formed. Here again a doji is formed here. It is called a dragonfly doji. After this candle forming, market started making higher highs and it went upward. So check the next candle and the volumes in those candles and trade according to that. So using volumes will help you take better trades and will increase your winning probability. To know more about volumes, watch my live trading videos and I have put in a special playlist for you and learn from them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.